moment for all of us, the 6th Annual Mani Shah Mahashai, তিনি মঞ্চে উপস্থিত রয়েছেন প্রধান রাজ্যের এই তিন গুণী চিকিৎসককে রাজ্যের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মহাশয় তিনি সম্বোধিত করেছেন। Regarded by the department as a family, engaging deeply with students and colleagues alike. Our 14-year tenure as Professor of ENT was marked by her unwavering dedication, kindness, and exemplary leadership, making her a beloved teacher and a skilled clinician. Department of ENT, Dr. Kiran. At the Department of ENT, Tripura Medical College was faculty in 2005, till his retirement from the post in 2007. At present, he is working as Government Nominated Chairman of Society for Tripura Medical College and Dr. Ram Hospital.
Sincere greetings and congratulations to all of you. Before I speak something, I should say that actually, being a oral and maxillofacial surgeon, I am very much near and very closer to you. So far, this subject is concerned. So, in this Association of Otolaryngologists, Northeastern Branch is an organization comprising ENT surgeons from 8 states of Northeastern region, named by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. As you know, there is Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Sikkim. I am truly delighted to be present at this conference of ENT surgeons. The medical profession is not merely an occupation. It is, we know, noble service to humanity. And within that service, the role of ENT specialist is truly unique. Diseases and other problems of the ear, nose and throat are intricately linked with our daily lives. Every individual, from a child to an elderly person, requires the care of ENT doctors at some point in their life. ENT surgeon plays a pivotal role, like cochlear implants for hearing loss, then in chronic sinusitis, nasal polyp, deviated nasal septum, then tonsillitis, sleep apnea, throat cancer, then addressing head and neck conditions like cancer or tumor, even parotid and so on. Inaguration was held in what I have been given this information that first it was held in 1985 at the Regional Dental College, Guwahati. Last year it was held in Shivsagar, Assam. The last time Inaguration was hosted in Tripura was in 2014. After 11 years, this flagship event is being organized in this state once again. The Association of Otolaryngologists Northeastern Branch, in addition to focusing on ear, nose and throat issues, organizes CMEs, workshops, discussions and various scientific programs aimed at the collective development of surgeons in this Northeastern region. The annual conference of NAVOI is an annual event featuring scientific discussions, lectures, presentation, video demonstration, live surgical workshop, instructional courses and quiz competition. These year, eminent ENT surgeons and national level resource persons are participating in this conference. They will present their scientific work which will enrich the knowledge and expertise of ENT surgeons not only in the state but across the entire Northeastern region. Postgraduate students and consultants from various medical colleges will also share their opinions and updates regarding ENT disease and other problems and treatment methods. To make the scientific sessions more engaging, quiz competitions and poster sessions will be organized for postgraduate students with awards for the winners that I have been informed. Various manufacturers and dealers across the country have also set up stalls displaying modern ENT-related medical equipment. I hope this conference will facilitate an exchange of new knowledge, research, and experiences among participating doctors, which will in turn help strengthen the healthcare system